BMW once put a Formula 1 inspired V10 engine into a four-door sedan, and they never dared to do it again. In the early 2000s, BMW wasn't chasing efficiency, emissions, or fuel economy. They were chasing dominance. The previous M5, the E39, was already considered one of the greatest sedans ever built. Balanced, reliable, and understated. But BMW didn't want to repeat perfection. They wanted to prove a point. At the time, BMW was deeply involved in Formula 1, and high-revving, naturally aspirated engines were their identity. So instead of refining the V8, BMW built a completely new 5.0-litre V10 for a luxury sedan. The result was 507 horsepower, an 8,250 RPM redline, no turbochargers, no hybrid systems, and no shortcuts. This engine wasn't designed to be efficient. It was designed to feel alive. The E60 M5 didn't behave like a normal sedan. The SMG gearbox was aggressive. The throttle was razor sharp, and the car demanded attention every second you drove it. But this obsession came at a price. Maintenance was expensive, reliability required commitment, and ownership was not forgiving. This wasn't an M5 you casually lived with. You had to respect it. After the E60, BMW changed direction completely. Turbocharging replaced high revs. Efficiency replaced drama, and BMW never built another V10 sedan again. The E60 M5 wasn't a mistake, it was a statement. BMW knew they could only make once.